Do you ever feel overwhelmed by trying to figure out the entire path ahead? Today, we'll consider the wisdom of trusting God for guidance one step at a time, embracing the unfolding of each new day. Our Bible verse today is from Psalm 119, verse 105. Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. This is the word of the Lord. Next, reflection. Ever tried to drive through thick fog with your headlights on full beam? You often can't see much beyond what's immediately in front of you, can you? Trying to focus on the distant road can actually make it harder to navigate the present moment. In a way, life can feel like that sometimes. We long to know the entire plan, to see every twist and turn of the road ahead. We can get anxious trying to figure out the distant future, when perhaps the most important thing is to focus on the step right in front of us. The psalmist offers a comforting perspective on this. He says, "Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path." Notice the imagery here. It's not a floodlight illuminating the entire journey from beginning to end. It's a lamp, a smaller light, guiding his feet for the next step, and a light showing the immediate path ahead. This suggests that God often guides us not with a complete blueprint of our lives, but with the direction we need for today, for this moment. His word, his wisdom, his presence, they illuminate the path right in front of us, giving us the confidence to take the next step, even if we can't see miles down the road. There's a real beauty and a deep trust involved in this kind of guidance. It requires us to let go of our need to control and to know everything in advance. Instead, we learn to rely on God's faithfulness to light our way step by step, day by day. Think about a flower slowly unfurling its petals. It doesn't try to bloom all at once. It unfolds gradually, day by day, in response to the light and nourishment it receives. Our lives can be like that too. As we stay connected to God, the source of our light and strength, He reveals the next step, allowing us to grow and blossom in His timing. This doesn't mean we shouldn't have goals or make plans, but it encourages us to hold those plans loosely, trusting that God's ultimate direction for us will unfold as we walk with Him each day. We don't need to see the entire staircase to take the first step. So today, perhaps the invitation is to release the pressure of needing to know everything that lies ahead. Instead, let's focus on the lamp to our feet, seeking God's guidance for this very day. Let's trust that as we take each step in faith, He will continue to light our path, revealing His will for us in His perfect time. The unfolding day holds the promise of His present guidance. Do you value daily moments of reflection? If so, please like this video to help others discover it, and subscribe to make these devotions a regular part of your routine. Thank you, and God bless you. Next, prayer. Guiding light, your word is a lamp to our feet and a light to our path. Forgive us for the times we become anxious about the unknown future and try to outpace your leading. Help us to trust in your wisdom to illuminate our way, step by step, day by day. May we find peace in taking each step in faith, knowing that you are always there to guide us on the unfolding path of our lives. Amen. Next, worship song.
Your words a lamp, a soft light ahead, guiding my feet across where I tread. When darkness whispers, its shadows grow tall. Your truth restores me, I won't let me fall. Step by step, you show me the way. Your light, it shines brighter than day. Through each valley or mountain so steep, your promises I will always keep. The night may whisper, but fear won't stay. Your lamp still burns to brighten my way. Each verse an anchor, steady and true. Your words of life led me back to you. Step by step, you show me the way. Your light, it shines brighter than day. Through each valley or mountain so steep, your promises I will always keep. Your love, it holds when life feels unsure. Your light, a treasure I'll always endure. With every step, I'll walk in your peace. Your word unchanging, my only release. Step by step, you show me the way. Your light, it shines brighter than day. Through each valley or mountain so steep, your promises I will always keep.
As our time together comes to an end, remember that God's presence never leaves you. Walk in his peace and share his grace, serving others in joy and faithfulness. Go in peace to love and serve the Lord. In the name of Christ, amen.